Today I wanna go to tell you how to make roasted plum semifreddo recipe. First of all, gather the ingredients for this roasted plum semifreddo recipe. You must first pit the plums and cut them in half for this recipe. Get some honey, lemon juice and zest, ground cinnamon, and kosher salt to season with. Purchase a packet of 2-inch ginger snaps for the textured crumb component after that. You'll need heavy cream, softened mascarpone cheese, sugar, vanilla essence, a sizable egg, and several sizable egg yolks for the creamy layer. Organize the plums. The oven should first be heated to 400 degrees. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the halved and pitted plums with the honey, lemon juice, cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Flip them over so that the sliced side is facing down before placing them in a baking dish. The plums should be baked for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fruit is tender and the skin is wrinkled. Half of the cooked plums should be placed in a basin and allowed to cool till room temperature. Until it's time to serve the dessert, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and chill the fruit. The remaining plums should be baked for a further 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are extremely tender. Prepare the cream and cookie crumbs. To prepare the semifreddo, line a loaf pan with plastic wrap and place it in the freezer. Then, pulverize 18 ginger snaps into a fine crumb mixture. Simply break the remaining ginger snaps into smaller pieces and reserve them for garnish. Whip the heavy cream with an electric hand mixer or stand mixer until soft peaks form. Add the mascarpone, 13 cups sugar, 12 teaspoons salt, vanilla, and half of the lemon zest. Whip the mixture on and off until stiff peaks form. Put the bowl in the refrigerator until you need it. Get the egg mixture ready. A small saucepan should be filled with 1 inch of water, brought to a simmer, and then heated on low. Whisk the egg, yolks, and 1/3 cup sugar until mixed in a medium heat safe basin. Whisk the eggs until they are extremely heated by setting the bowl over the pot. At this point, take the bowl off of the heat and use an electric mixer to beat the egg mixture until it is light and roughly 3 times its original volume. When the mixture is consistent, add the remaining egg mixture and fold it in. Put the layers together and freeze. When everything is done, pour about 1/4 of the batter into the loaf pan with the plastic liner. Place a spoonful of plum puree on top, then top with ginger snap crumbs. The dessert should then be covered and frozen for at least 6 hours or overnight to get the desired firmness. Repeat the 3 layers 3 more times. Serve this roasted plum semifreddo with garnishes. Flip the semifreddo onto a serving plate and take off the plastic and mold when you're ready to serve it. If it isn't coming out readily, we advise briefly running warm water over the bottom of the pan. Grab the plums from the refrigerator that you left away and cut them into thirds. They should be distributed over the semifreddo, and any bowl liquids should be poured on top. Lemon zest and the remaining ginger snap pieces should be added on top. Serve this wonderful frozen treat sliced. This would be served at a dinner party along with some additional ginger snaps for snacking and a glass of crisp white wine. After you've given each person a meal,